Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Malibu hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your car, usually found on the driver's side, near the door sill, or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a click as the primary latch disengages. Always make sure your Malibu is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety before you begin. Now move to the front of your Malibu. Gently lift the hood a few inches. It won't open fully yet. With one hand, reach underneath the slightly raised hood, usually around the center, to locate the secondary safety latch. This small lever or hook is a crucial safety feature, designed to keep the hood securely closed even if the primary latch fails. Once you've found the secondary latch, either push it to the side or lift it upwards, depending on your Malibu model. As you do this, the hood will fully release. Carefully lift the hood all the way open. If your Malibu has a prop rod, locate it and secure the hood firmly in the open position. This ensures the hood stays safely up while you work. Before closing, double-check that all tools and any other items are clear from the engine bay. When you're ready to close the hood, gently lower it until it's about 1 foot above the latch, then let it drop to engage the primary latch. Give it a gentle push down to ensure it's fully secured. Always confirm the hood is latched before driving. Also, for great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.